My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the browser hijacker that is called discoverthebest.co. While analyzing the website discoverthebest.co, we found out that it is an untrustworthy search engine. We discovered this website and this browser hijacker after adding a shady extension to our Google Chrome browser. This application promotes discoverthebest.co by hijacking a web browser and by changing its crucial settings. In fact, discoverthebest.co site is promoted through application which makes this search engine the default search engine. It also changes the homepage and the new tab page. Discoverthebest.co cannot be removed from the settings of a web browser while a browser hijacker is present. When you submit some search queries, you will notice that the results are delivered by discoverthebest.co, which is a fake search engine. It displays a lot of advertisements which are not really decent, and it also shows some sponsored links on top of search results. Because of that, your browsing is not really relevant and the search results are not really relevant. So to remove this discoverthebest.co from your Chrome, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Now if you find any third-party extensions here, disable and delete them. In order to make sure that your computer is free of other threats, which could be possibly hidden, I would recommend investigating it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official website combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the application, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.